project, we're just going to make a little box. This is a little piece of cedar. I've got everything set up, my depth gauge and my stops, and so I'm ready to proceed on this. Okay, so we got the inside routed out now. I'll turn it over and we'll make some feet on it. Okay, I've turned the block over, I've got some lines on it. What I'm going to do is actually cut some feet on the bottom of it. Okay, I got the feet cut. Now what it is, I tilted the head a little bit, and what I want to do is I want to angle the feet. I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to have to rotate it twice to get all the angles on all the sides. The last side. There it is. There's the feet. There's the inside. And next we'll make the top for it. Okay, now what we're going to do is make a top to fit on this box. I'm actually going to make a ridge around it so it can fit inside here without having to use any hinges. Now we're going to hollow out the inside of the top just a little bit deeper than the ridge. Okay, now we got the top up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a knob on the top, and then we'll try some other things on the side. Okay, I want to put a taper all the way around it, so that, what I do on this, I clamp it at an angle. I've actually cut the lip from underneath, and I've got this pinched in here. Okay, this is the last side. I've done the other three. Okay, there it is. I don't know if you can see the taper on it or not. It's a simple little box, a little sanding, and be all set.